We're going to make something.
Yeah, we are.
That
looks like Easter.
Yes.
Oh.
Is it Easter?
And we're going to figure out, is 2 cubes or 3 cubes? Which one's better?
Your fingers.
Well, watch and find out.
Vodka Combat Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek are going to show you how to make a spring old-fashioned. And, well, he's going to make it.
Spring old-fashioned.
We have a camera, and it's going to show you him making it. And that is, we're going to use nice bottle service. So, this drink has...
I see that.
It calls for 2 ounces of Aviation gin, which I guess I drank all of. A 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 dashes of orange bitters, a dash of Peychaud bitters.
Simple. Orange
peel and lemon peel. So it's an old fashioned for the spring because it's got gin in it. That's it. That's basically it.
It sounds like it works.
Why not? It's stirring. It's got all the ingredients you'd expect except for cherry, I guess, and a little simple syrup instead of a sugar cube.
True.
When we made that was we made the Manhattan, right? The Amaro. Manhattan.
But last time, yeah.
Yeah, the Manhattan that doesn't have cherries. I mean, that doesn't have. It does when we do it, but that doesn't have sugar.
No.
Got it. That's all pure spirit. So the old fashioned is just a little bit. I guess it's actually still older.
This is gonna look a lot.
I
was gonna say like a Sazerac, but there's no brown in it.
It's gonna look like
it's just gonna look really
like a pink Sazerac.
Well, it's spring, right? Like Easter. Pink.
Fair.
Look at that.
You know what it looks like? It looks like that like cherry 7-Up stuff.
Right. Like a cosmopolitan that's been overly vodkad.
Oh, yes. Hold the cranberry.
Hold the cranberry.
Hold the cranberry, sir.
If that was a cosmopolitan?
Infuse this with a cranberry.
Like that's...
And then remove the cranberry.
Yeah.
Well, it's the same thing with this. There's nothing else in it. It's pretty much gin.
This is pure gin.
Yeah, pure gin and bitters.
Oh. This is a good time having it right now.
Yeah.
He's going to wreck your face.
That is a...
Spring cocktail.
Spring cocktail. I mean, if you had some like little garnishes on it, it would look pretty.
I guess if I put a lemon and orange, it would give it a little bit of color. But you're talking about a clear
express the orange peel over it.
Call it the Easter basket.
You're gonna have to fight really hard to make that look sexy, though.
That looks sexy. Look at that. Yeah, that's like 80s.
If you had like a big cube, though.
Oh yeah.
If you just had like one big cube.
Yeah, I can see that.
Too many cubes.
Do a little.
Too many. Yeah, too many cubes. Two would have been okay.
You can't now. They're probably frozen.
Yeah, it's frozen together. Now you just
Why would you take the bottom one?
Now you just stuck your fingers in it, and you like got the shit all over.
They're stuck together. I couldn't take that one,
and it's still sticking out.
You didn't win. You made it worse. Now it's all salty.
I lost because now I gotta drink it.
I just like rinse stuff. My hands are clean. Or did Cooper lick them? I don't know. You tell me.
Does it taste like dog?
Gin
tastes like gin.
Tastes a little like gin licorice.
Yeah.
Oh, from the Peychaud?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Peychaud.
Or whatever Ian had on his fingers. So.
Licorice. He was eating licorice earlier. I saw him just like taking it like right out of his pocket. No like little lint on it.
So soft and warm.
Yeah.
Oh, that
feels like a weird like Ferris Bueller's Day.
Yeah.
You want a gummy bear? Put it in my pocket all day, so they're nice and soft.
Could have put some Beefeater in it. I think that this is an American gin drink because it'd be too much juniper if you went with like a London Dry.
Oh yeah.
Or is that? What are they trying to make that? That's American, right? Yeah.
Juniper, coriander, and fennel seeds. So this sounds not American to me.
No, well, they all kind of have that, right?
It's botanical gin, yeah. I mean, juniper. Yeah.
It's basically. I mean, if you like gin.
Yeah, there's a good drink for it.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, you like gin and you like.
If you like
Peychaud?
gin, but you don't want to drink it straight because you feel dirty. Like you feel like maybe you've been drinking too much. Yeah. Like you're like, I don't want to be an alcoholic, so let's add bitters.
Yeah, when straight gin isn't quite socially acceptable.
Right.
You can add a little bit of coloring and call it a day.
That's true. Like sometimes who just drinks like straight gin?
Then you have a drink problem. This is a cocktail. because it's got multiple ingredients.
And the
It's
sugar
got
cuts it a little bit.
Sugar,
Yeah.
bitters,
And
spirit.
it's got a whole quarter ounce of sugar, so.
Oh, really?
I don't know. I don't know what to tell you.
Well, the 2 ounces of gin, there's not a lot of sugar, I guess. I think it's pretty easy. It's pretty tasty. So, Dan, is this better than the Casablanca?
No.
Oh, wow, that was very fast. The one that had too much, you wouldn't like too much because it had too much,
Maraschino?
yeah. You still like that one better than this one?
Yeah.
Because it's boring?
Yeah.
Did you drink a gin?
No, I mean, I love gin. It's just, I don't know. It's like gin with like Peychaud. I don't know.
There's nothing that, maybe with some garnish in there where you had the orange and you had the, maybe that would accent
This
it a
is-
little bit more.
This is
Yeah, I
from
don't know. I
Ryan
mean,
Megarian via John Spikes who submitted it. So I'm guessing that's a bartender.
I've had something similar.
Some liquor.com. You know what? I think I'm seeing something here. Last liquor.com drink, too much Angostura. Now, another liquor.com drink that's meh. I think liquor.com needs to start thinking about maybe getting a new job.
Maybe they're just out of ideas and they're just taking spirits and adding bitters to them now.
No, I've had like a drink. Like, I mean,
Not wrong.
I mean, I'm out of ideas, so I don't blame them.
yeah.
It's just,
I take alcohol and just add bitters too. So
yeah. I mean, there's nothing wrong with
We
it.
don't call it a cocktail, though.
I just take alcohol all the time, and I just put a little bitters in my mouth, and I'm good.
That's right.
I'm like, I'm not an alcoholic.
I'm just taking alcohol and
I just said
adding
I go like this, and I'm like, I'm a fucking bartender.
let me add this flavored alcohol to my other flavored alcohol.
No, that's not good enough. Add one more flavor, and now
Oh,
you're
but then I'm like, hello, can I come into the party?
Wow, we weren't expecting you.
What is going
I was just trying to figure out how to pay my landlord.
Oh my god, have you tasted Ian's fingers?
All right, the edit for Derek, that needs to go into the clips for the end of the year.
Oh my god.
That, my friends, I don't know what that was. Thanks to Sam Schwartz.
That was alcohol porn.
Sam Schwartz is our
Software.
executive producer at patreon.com/CMC. So he's ultimately responsible for the little porn thing that just happened. That was all Sam Schwartz because he's the executive producer.
That's right.
So it's his
Goddamn
idea.
Sam.
Yep. He sent us the idea to do that skit.
That was
In
good,
the middle.
Sam.
Yeah.
We liked it.
Yeah, well, big fans. There's a sidebar
If
over
you
there.
could see below the bar, you'd know how big a fan we were.
Oh yeah. Speaking of which, spring 2022 at AwesomeDrinks.com, save yourself
Buy some
20%.
Speaking of which,
Buy some shit.
that's a good segue.
I know.
Speaking of it.
Until May 31st. Speaking
of
porn,
boners behind the bar,
right?
there's a sale going on.
Exactly. You can go buy
Surprise!
stuff. You can get at Awesome Drinks. You can get that mixing glass. You can get that. What the hell's
You
that
need
name?
all those things.
A mixing glass,
Good julep string.
Julep string. Yeah.
The stirry thing.
the spoon, bar spoon.
The bar spoon. Bitters.
You
Got
need
all that.
everything.
The only thing
He'll
we don't
probably
have
even
there
sell a
is some shit.
thesaurus if you ask him.
Maybe.
Hold on.
Probably not.
We got this.
There
No,
you go.
I don't sell it, but it's a
Okay.
big book of stuff. that
Your
might-
words just seem to elude you for a second there. But you get the thing and the stirry thing and the...
The thesaurus would not have helped.
This thing that strains the thing.
I was going to need far more than a thesaurus for that one.
All sorts of things for sale.
There's
Lots of
things for
things.
sale. Sidebar for more drinks to make. Down below, Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit to buy. Using that coupon code if you want to. And that's it. Oh my god, I almost just died. What you drink?
Drama much?